Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. So let's see what are these cards, Gemini. So these are for your general energies. These cards are for your relationship, Gemini, and these cards are for your career situation, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Angel Oracle Guidance. So that'll be a general guidance, what we can do, or it may answer some questions we have in our mind about our situation, guys. So let's see what are these cards first for your general energies, guys, Gemini. We have 10 of Wands, Ace of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. So Gemini, you are making tremendous efforts. You have a lot of responsibilities and burdens on your shoulders. You are working really hard today, guys. And you are having great goals and aspirations for yourself. And you are someone who is very responsible and dedicated to your work, or maybe in this relationship to this person you love. You are very caring and protecting, nurturing person. And I see today, Gemini, you are getting some new beginning. It may be a new beginning in your career situation, guys, or it may be a deeper step in this relationship. Maybe you are getting committed to this person, getting engaged or getting married, or this person and yourself, maybe if you are already married, you are having a child, starting a family together. So some kind of positive changes that is giving you happiness, contentment and emotional satisfaction, guys. And you are on the right path in your life today, guys, Gemini. And you are someone who is just radiating confidence and joy. And though you are working hard, making tremendous efforts, you are also reaping the rewards for your hard work and your efforts, guys, for whatever you are putting in. So in your career situation, maybe you are making a lot of efforts because you have great goals and aspirations for yourself, guys, Gemini. That may be the reason for that. And you are someone who is relentless. You never let go. You want to do things till you complete. So you make tremendous efforts, go the distance. Maybe you have that perseverance and you are a hard worker. That is also what I see, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship first, guys. We have 3 cards again. It is 8 of Cups in reverse, 9 of Pentacles in reverse and 3 of Swords in reverse. So with these cards, guys, maybe certain circumstances or people you trusted in this relationship, it may not be up to expectation. Maybe for some of you, you may be worried because of that, maybe because this person has broken your trust, or you may feel that way. You may feel that you cannot trust this person and you cannot understand what is there in their mind. So some kind of confusions was there in your life today, maybe in your past, guys. But today, all that confusion is coming to an end, guys. So maybe this person was maybe they had their focus on something else. That may be the reason they did not respond to you, to your emails or letters, or to your phone calls. But they love you and they are here for you, guys. And maybe your situation will resolve, Gemini. So this person and yourself, you may come to an understanding. You may find out the reason for them not responding to your phone calls or emails. So some kind of understanding you are having today, guys. You are getting it. And I also see that you are celebrating this relationship happiness. You may be going out for dinner, maybe this difficult situation is coming to an end, maybe you were not speaking for some days, but you are both back together and you want to celebrate this happiness. You are going out for dinner or spending time together, so some kind of happy changes are there for you all today, guys, Gemini. So that is also what I see, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation, guys. We have Strength, Temperance in reverse, and Star. So in your career situation, guys, just like I said, you are someone really working really hard, making tremendous efforts, and again, that is the energy here. You are someone with strong willpower and determination to make things go in the right way, and you have that clarity. Maybe you have huge dreams and hopes for a bright future, and you are working towards that goals, and you are clear about it. You are clear about the path you need to take today. And for some of you, you may have some kind of ideals or beliefs or the right way to do things, and you are sticking to those rules, guys. Something that is going to take you towards success very soon, Gemini. So that is also what I see, guys. So let's see what is your angel oracle guidance card. So we have Archangel Jophiel. So with this card, guys, whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are there guiding us today, guys, in our situation. Maybe this angel is here to give us answers, clear the confusions, the day-to-day struggles that we are facing, guys, and maybe give us that insight and awareness in some situation which is not clear, and understanding that everything in its own way is simply beautiful, and we have to sometimes we feel sad and stressed because we lack inspiration, but when we feel inspired by our situation, when seeing the smaller things that are around us, birds singing and sun rising early in the morning, whatever it is, then it just inspires us, we are going to feel so happy. And when we lack this inspiration is when we feel really sad and low. So we can ask this angel's help for this inspiration, guys, and this is the time you are getting new ideas and opportunities in your life, Gemini, in your situation. So that is the reading with these card, guys, Gemini. I hope you like this reading. If it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.